It is Thanksgiving week, and it's one of my favorites of the year. Good food, good family time, and just some relaxing. I can't wait. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of November 25th through December 1st. How are we already to December? Like, I feel like November or Thanksgiving week was later this year. Maybe that's why. I don't know. It just feels wonky. So this week, Thanksgiving. A lot happening this week. Some good, some not so good. I'll kind of get into it a little bit I don't know. I don't even know how to talk about it, but let's go through this kit first. Okay, this is Amber Dreams by Caress Press. It's so pretty. I just really like it. It's very cozy. But I like all the prints too, because some of them feel a little retro. I like that. Bottom washi's really pretty. Cute deco, which I definitely want to use some of. We also have this extra box here. I don't know if I'll use it or not, but it is cute. And then I'm using this marker again. This is Oatmeal, because it's the only thing that matches. Why does Zig not make an orange dot marker? Interesting. There's pink and yellow, and there's coral, but there's no orange. They should get on that. Okay, so this is my makselife planner. We are, once again, reaching the end. A few more weeks, and we're done. I am excited to get into my new planner. We are in week 2 of my goal series, so there's 2 videos going up this week on Tuesday and Wednesday. They will be up by the time you see this video, though, so have a gander at it. I will link the playlist down in the description. Okay, we need to get this week set up. I'll tell you all about what's going on in the voiceover, so you kind of have an overview of this week and why it's a little strange, unexpected, but it's still going to be good from here on out, I think. Hopefully. So here is what's going on this week. The Sunday before this week started, I went and saw the movie Wicked with my sister, and during the movie, I was getting alerts on my phone, like on my wrist, with my Apple Watch, but I just kind of ignored them until the movie was over. And as we're leaving, I see that my principal has called, and I've also got a bunch of texts from friends just kind of questioning some things. And what had happened was one of our middle school students, and I don't know her, I don't know anything about her, but she's over the weekend. And so we were basically just talking to our principal, like he was calling everybody to just tell them what happened and to be prepared for a different looking Monday and Tuesday, because we did have to work Monday and Tuesday of this week. So we went in on Monday, and I didn't really know what to expect. I knew before we came in that the kids weren't coming to school those 2 days, and that the schedule was fluid, and that we also had a crisis team available to help guide us through this, because while I don't know her, a lot of my students did, and some of them were just devastated by it, and as you can imagine, and it was just something that I didn't know how to navigate at all. And luckily this crisis team was just like so good. We had 2 counselors on our campus, and then there was a counselor on each of the other campuses as well. And first the teachers met together, and he talked us through so many different things. It was really, really good. And then all of the students came in by grade level, and I ended up staying for all of the grade level meetings just to support the students and answer any questions they had, and just kind of just be there for them. And so that was so incredibly hard. It was just like, you know, just kind of stepping into the unknown, and like, it was really, really difficult for everybody, but especially the middle school campus, of course. And I was just thinking about them the whole time, and thinking about my students, and watching them and hearing them kind of share as the counselor took us through everything in each meeting. And I was glad that I stayed for all of those because it really gave me some perspective on who she was and how they were feeling and everything. And we came up with a game plan in our adult meeting, but also in each of the meetings for how to approach this the next week when we come back for school. So we ended up leaving a little bit early on Monday, and we didn't have any school on Tuesday because they just wanted to give the kids time to process everything. And there were administrators available for any of the kids who wanted to come to school and just like ask questions of the counselors and everything. So that was just like a start to the week that I definitely was not expecting at all, and was just kind of a really tough experience overall. And then on top of that, my dad was also having surgery on Tuesday. And so I just put that in on a label. So he was getting his other hip replaced. He got his the other one done a couple of years ago, and it kind of just changed his life. And then this one started acting up, and so it was just a lot happening within just a couple of days, like a lot of stressful things. So Wednesday, I got up early and went to visit my parents and just see how my dad was doing and just be there for my mom. She was sick and also like dealing with the stress of the surgery and everything. So a bit of a stressful start to the week, but it did end really, really well. I had a lot of really great family time, and I really, really needed that after a super tough start to this week. It was just kind of unbelievable and hard. It is Sunday, and let's finish up this spread. I did add in a few things that I remembered. I don't know why I didn't write anything down, but I wrote in what I remembered, and then I also just picked up some pictures. So I just put those like where I wanted them to be, and I just added a couple things on my list today. I have picked up groceries today. I had a lazy morning, so I need to get to work. It is 1:30, and yeah, let's get this finished up. I have to finish up another spread as well, and then get that plan with me uploaded, and scheduled for tomorrow. So lots to do today. It was a really, really good trip. I'll just talk while I put in my pictures and stuff. So I was telling you about my dad in the setup of this spread. He did great. He has had a hip replaced before, so it wasn't like he was going into this without knowing anything or anything like that. So he knew exactly what to expect and what the recovery was going to be. Now, did he get bitched out by my mom a little bit for pushing a little too hard? Yes, but that's just who he is. He did officially retire, and he got some really cool gifts from his swim team, and I was really happy to watch those or look at those, and he just had a really big impact over the years. He's been coaching for my entire life, and so his career, he's probably been doing something in the capacity of sports and coaching and stuff for 41, 42 years. So yeah, lots of different students, past students have contacted him, and yeah, he just had a long and successful career, and I don't know what retirement's gonna look like for him, but we're gonna keep him busy. He's got to be busy, otherwise he goes cuckoo. Okay, pictures are down. I think I got all of them. Yep. Okay, so we had a very relaxing time together. Mainly because my mom was sick and my dad was recovering, so we just chilled. That was fine with me. I got to read a lot. We watched some TV shows and movies. We just relaxed a little bit. Friday, we decorated my parents' Christmas tree for my sister mainly, because otherwise there was going to be a problem. And then we packed up some things. So my parents are moving in a couple months, and so we packed up some things into my car, and they're just going to hang out in my garage for a few months until they are all moved up here and settled. I still need to bag up a bunch of quilts because they're like some of them are antique quilts, and then some of them are ones that my mom has made, and I don't want anything to get to them, any critters or anything. So I need to do that, but everything else has been unloaded by me. And then yesterday I just drove home, came home, did some errands and stuff, and then this morning I've been working on my list, but I haven't made much progress. So I really need to meal prep some food because I don't have any food right now, but I have groceries, which is good. Tomorrow I'll finish up my meal prep. I took Monday off just so that I would not have a rushed weekend. So glad I did that. A lot of teachers take off the Tuesday because we go Monday, Tuesday. Since we didn't work Tuesday, I'm really, really glad I took off the Monday after because it's just going to be really nice to ease back in. And then we've got 3 weeks till Christmas, which is going to go fast. So what else do we need to do with this spread? I just want to make a little note here. I've been listening to this podcast, which I've had it saved for a while. I just didn't listen to any episodes. So yesterday while I was driving, I listened to quite a few, and it's just very informative but fun too. So I've been listening. I listened to another episode this morning on Catherine the Great. There's just some good trashy stories, which I love. A mix of history and some, gossip. It's great. Gratitude today. I'm just going to put rest because I got a lot of rest this week and I needed it. It's been a little stressful and just needed some downtime, which is great. So I need to finish this stuff up. I don't know what I'm going to do right here. I think I want to just cut down a full box, or maybe we can just put in some deco or something. I don't know. We'll put this here. Yeah, we'll just put in some deco here. So I washed my hair last night, so I don't need to do anything on that front. Oh my gosh, this is not cut out at all. Interesting. I think they just forgot to put a cut line around the little boots. But I don't want to use the cinnamon rolls. We'll use this little basket of yarn. How's that? Okay. And then I don't think I have any room for anything else. Okay, favorite moment of this week. I'm just going to put time with family because I just really needed it. After the really hard start to the week, just needed some time to relax and regroup. All right, so this spread's pretty much done. I just need to finish my habits and my list here. I got totally off on my water while I was out of town, so I'm trying today to get back onto track with my water because I'm feeling it for sure. But here is the spread pretty much done. And I'll post the finished spread on the thumbnail and Instagram, so if you want to see it, you can check that out there. But I really liked the whole theme of this kit. Super cute. And I love the pictures that I included. I tried to include some that were positive and made me feel good things. My little nephew is so cute. There's two of them together. Adorable. Okay, so this Plan with Me is finished. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I'll see you next week. Bye!